Mr. Investor, oh my goodness, today is a red day. It was a red day yesterday, and today, oh lordy. So we're seeing here that the pre-market value has dropped to $10.52. It's down another 11%, and from all-time highs of $15.69, we are now here in the valley of despair. But what am I going to be doing, and what other news have I found? I just wanted to give you a quick update today, so I'm going to be showing you some stuff before I live stream later. So recently, since our all-time highs, the whole market has been hit. So we've literally just been coming down. We're now opening up at $10.52. And I think the first question you'll ask me is, will this continue to go down? To be honest, I don't know. I don't know if it's a market correction, market crash, but what I do know is if this goes lower than my average, I will be buying the dips to average down into bingo, baby. And this is about my average now. I think I'm at $10.50 or $11 at the moment, so I'll be able to pick up some stocks for discount. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mr. Investor, aka Miguel, and I look for the biggest, juiciest growth stocks on the market, and I look to purchase these up so I can 10x, 20x, 50x my money, baby. But always remember, I'm just a retail investor and this is not financial advice. This video is for entertainment only. If you'd like to support my channel, you can click the join button up here. It's only 99 cents a month. You get all of these new cowboy emojis as well I've put up there, and bingo sapphire system emojis. But if you're unable to join my channel, just you hitting like and clicking subscribe is enough for me. I love and appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for joining me. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, it's been like the wild west out here. Yeehaw! Oh my goodness. So bingo has been all over the place, and I'm going to continue buying the dips. But here's the news that I found. So as we know, across the world, everybody is racing to be global leaders and they want to explore genomics. So here I wanted to show you, this is G42. G42 Healthcare inaugurates Omics Center of Excellence. So when you're wondering who G42 is, you can see here G42 Healthcare is a subsidiary of Abu Dhabi's based technology company, Group 42. So Group 42 is an artificial intelligence and cloud computing company that was founded in Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates in 2018. The organization claims to be working towards the evolution of AI industries in the government sector, healthcare, finance, oil and gas, aviation, and hospitality. So I was reading through this document and I found just down here that actually G42's Omics Center of Excellence is the region's largest and most advanced omics facility in terms of technology coverage, automation, computational capacity, and throughput. The center has the highest level of automation in sample and library prep, as well as the region's largest computational resources in terms of processing power and storage. Then we got into here. It says it features the Middle East's largest third generation sequencing TGS platform and is planning to add state-of-the-art equipment for optical mapping to its facilities, allowing better structural variation studies in genomics. So the Omics Center balances third generation sequencing, so I think PacBio, that kind of stuff, with next generation sequencing platforms, and it will also leverage the Sanger sequencing method for validating novel genetic mutations. So if they're adding state-of-the-art optical mapping technology to its facilities, that sounds a bit like us, baby, or it sounds like Nabsis. So since its inception in September 2020, they've already analyzed more than 1,000 human genomes on NGS and TGS platforms to create a standard Emirati reference genome. But these guys are also very keen to pursue partnerships and collaborations that will enable healthier communities. And then this Investor Place article also came out. So a lot of us are feeling the pinch today with a sea of red across the board, and it's frustrated a lot of investors, as some of us have averaged up and we've been buying into bionanogenomics as it's come up. So when we actually scroll down this article, it's talking about leveraging the power of genetics tech with bionanogenomics. It's saying how unique the stock is as an investment and how we've had these tremendous gains from, the penny stock territory to where we are now. And then it spoke about the problem that we were just around about 50 cents and we were at, risk of being delisted. So it gave us a bit of time. And if we remained below $1 for too long, we would have got delisted. But if we see where we've come up to, we've had a 52-week high of $15.69. So as you get deeper into the article, it then describes what the Sapphire system can do, especially for oncology, saying that, it could be game breaking and industry changing for oncology. But this is the part we're looking for, the bottom line on Bingo stock. So they were just saying what their opinion is. They're saying it's true that Bingo stock has posted strong gains lately and valuation may be a legitimate concern. However, shares still have room to run. The Sapphire system breakthrough technology is clearing paths to progress in the oncology field. Thus, all stakeholders, including Bionano's investors, should remain optimistic. So with regards to all of these red days, what has changed about bionanogenomics? Has anything changed? For me, I don't think there's been any bad news whatsoever about a lot of these stocks that have been going down. This is just my opinion. This is not financial advice, but it feels like a lot of fear in the market is causing a lot of people to sell and pull their money on the side and try and have cash on the side to try and buy up if they manage to time the market. So say that, some of these good stocks dip all the way down to crazy record lows because investors are selling out, hedge funds are keeping some cash on the side as well. People are trying to sell time the market and actually buy at a lower dip. But for me, this is what I'm doing. This is not financial advice. This is only what I'm going to do. Me, I'm just going to be adding bits and pieces so I can bring my average cost down. So if Bionanogenomics continues to come down in price, I'm going to literally continue to buy just piece by piece when I get cash. That's what Mr. Invest A Lot's about. It's not that I have loads of cash. It's literally whatever cash I get, I aggressively continue to invest in the stock market. So I'm going to be improving my averages with Bionanogenomics. Also, guys, I'm trying to attend this meeting, the AGBT one, but it costs $500, $525 if I can get in on the academic price. So a couple of you have sent me some money in PayPal. So thank you so much. We have around about £25 at the moment. I'm trying to get to like $500 though at the moment. So we'll be able to afford the academic ticket to get in here. And then I'll just live stream it for everybody. So in terms of this event, if you guys haven't seen my previous video, you can see that we're going to be at this event, Bionanogenomics. There's also going to be PacBio. We're going to have 10x Genomics there too. So lots of the big boys are there, as well as Illumina. And this is a place where lots of researchers, universities, governments, people who also allocate funding are now looking to invest, and big institutions who are looking to invest in innovation and new tech. A lot of them come to this kind of conference, this virtual meeting and conference. So they're going to be on the lookout for companies with innovation and innovative technology, and they might start to broker deals, network and create partnerships. So hopefully Bionanogenomics is going to be there. I don't know if any of the presenters are going to be presenting information with the Sapphire system, but it could be very interesting indeed if they are, because they might come out with new research. They might be showing how the technology has been beneficial for their studies, or we could just see Bionanogenomics. Maybe Joe Butler could be at the event, or some other people, and they can just go through and create synergistic partnerships with other companies. And if we get one with an NGS company, oh baby. So just to show you guys how much it costs this event, and because I made it into the Festival of Genomics for free, I don't think I can wiggle out of this one though, because there's no free band. There's literally, academic is the lowest one I could get into, $525. There's commercial, which is $695, and financial $695. So if you guys want to help me get into this, if we raise enough money, then I'll get into it. I'll pay for it, go straight into it. So for the next events, if I can't manage to get into this one because we don't have enough cash and YouTube hasn't paid me yet as well, then I'll try and pay for any of these next ones so I can live stream this for you guys. So yeah, I'll make sure the money goes to good use. I just want to reinvest back into YouTube and provide as much information as possible for you guys. But yeah, this is the one we're aiming to get into, and it's $525. So if you do want to donate to help me kind of pay for this, and if we reach $500, I've got a PayPal link in the description down below, and you can send any amount of donation, whatever you want to chip in, and it will help me to hopefully pay and get into this event. But remember, if we're unable to get into this event, I will pay for the next event. I will save that money, whatever's money is in that PayPal account. I'll make sure I save it, and I'll go and access the next event. So my bingo brothers and sisters, I'm going to be holding long and strong, and I'll be averaging into it if I get any cash coming in from YouTube finally. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I love and appreciate you guys. Mr. Invest A Lot over and out, baby.